So we're getting back into informational writing. And yesterday, you guys should have picked a topic that you wanted to write about. So if you did not do that, go ahead and do that. You're posting in the discussion box. I gave you a whole bunch to pick from. So make sure you do that. And just to review what informational writing is you're picking something and you're just describing it or teaching me about it. So maybe you're teaching me about your favorite game or teaching me how to take care of your favorite pet or something like that. Okay, so it's just you describing things to me. So today I'm going to model another one for you guys, and I'm going to use my hamburger paragraph graphic organizer because just like a hamburger, it all fits together and makes it real nice and good. That's how your writing should be. Okay, you need all the parts to make a good writing, just like you need all the parts to make a good hamburger. Okay, you need the bun, you need the lettuce, the meat, the tomato, the bottom bun to put it all together. So just like at the top, our introduction or our topic sentence goes first. And I am going to be writing about what happens when you miss the school bus, or what do you do when you miss the school bus. So I'm going to tell you what I used to do when I missed the school bus, because I missed the school bus a good amount of times. So remember, your topic sentence is you're telling me what you are going to be writing about, okay? You're not going to say, I'm writing about this. You're going to word it a little bit differently than that. So I will show you how I'm going to word this. When you miss the bus, you have to find a way to. So, when you miss the bus, you have to find a way to get to school. So, I am going to show you the way I would get to school if I missed the school bus. Okay? So, first, as you can see, I'm using those sentence starters or those transition words. Okay? First, I would call my mom to tell her I missed the bus and wait for her to stop yelling at me. And whenever I missed the bus, my mom wasn't too happy because she'd have to leave work to come get us. So the first thing, I would call my mom to tell her I missed the bus and wait for her to stop yelling at me. Now I'm going to use my next transition word and use the word next. I would wait outside by the sidewalk for my mom to pull up. My mom used to say, you better be ready when I get there. So the next thing I would do is I would wait outside by the sidewalk for my mom to pull up. And then my last detail or my supporting sentence I would start by saying, lastly, I hesitantly, and that means I didn't really want to, but I had to do it. I hesitantly got in the car with my furious mother so she could take me to school. Okay? So I gave you my 3 ways. I did step by step of how I would get to school if I missed the bus. Okay, now my conclusion is I'm wrapping up everything. I'm telling you what I talked about. So I'm going to say, in conclusion, after reading that, don't miss the bus. Okay. So I have a topic sentence. I told you what I was talking about. I have my supporting sentences, 1, 2, and 3. I'm giving you the steps that I would take. And then my conclusion, I wrapped it all up. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing I just did with your topic you picked yesterday. You are going to use this hamburger paragraph to write a paragraph about what you picked. So whether you picked how to take care of your favorite pet or whatever, you're going to do the topic sentence, your 3 supporting sentences, and your conclusion. Okay.